So we know that the islands have moved 220 kilometers in the past 5.2 million years. So we're looking for a speed in centimeters per year. So we've got to start with 220 kilometers. And now we need some conversions. We know that there's 1,000 meters in 1 kilometer. We'll say this 1 kilometer goes with that 1,000 meters. And we know that 1 meter has 1,000 centimeters. And we know that we've done all of this in 5.2 million years. And so to get this into centimeters per year, we'll start canceling our units. Kilometers cancel, meters cancel. Now I've got centimeters. To get years in the bottom, we'll say 5.2. And then this is really 5 million with 200,000. And so now we'll divide everything and multiply everything out with one key error that I've just seen here. There were 100 centimeters in 1 year. So when we multiply everything on top and divide by 5,200,000, we get 4.23 centimeters per year.